headed to Flagstaff. We're gonna have to say goodbye to the needles.
Bye, needles. Yeah, we've been stuck in Flagstaff for like 3 months on a travel assignment. She's a travel EEG tech, so we've been stationed here, and she's been going to work in El Paso. We're really excited. We're going to be heading towards to California and just kind of going up the coast, as most van lifers do, I guess. But yeah, finally able to live it for real now. So come along.
We just got our lunch. We took a shower. There's a nice water fill-up spot here, as you probably saw. So we decided to get our last shower in before we struggle to find water once again. We got a 3.5-hour trip. We're still feeling a little rough. A little gift to us from El Paso Hospital to give us a sickness right before we left.
We're very excited to be getting to the trees once again. We are from Wisconsin, so we're ready to be in something we're somewhat more familiar with. Desert really isn't our energy, but it's been nice nonetheless.
All right, here's our spot. We're pretty close to the road, but I think we'll be all right. A little crooked this way, but this is our Cosmic Campground that we've been at. Spent all last night kind of looking at the stars. Going for a little morning walk. Our next spot is only an hour's drive. We'll actually be crossing into Arizona as well. Hour and 6. Let's hope I don't scrape my shit on this.
We're kind of aspiring naturalists. I'm going for birds as kind of a metric, but also we're trying to study the trees and a lot of foliage. And we can't pass a good overlook, and that's where we're at right now.
Here we have a brown lizard. I call them brown lizards because they're brown.
We made it to Arizona. Pulled us to the spot. Now we gotta check to see for level. Definitely not. The cats finally have some grass to chew on. Now we're going on a walk.
Now we're going on a walk.
Let's say it together. One,
Now we're
two. I'm ready. Ready.
Now we're
going on a walk. The dark version.
Ooh.
And this is a great lake. We're headed out. We're headed to like a wildlife sanctuary sort of place.
We're here to find some birds today.
We're out. Important.
Yeah. Yellow belly.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, that's him. Let's log him. Let's log him, boys.
Logged.
Get logged, stupid.
Get logged.
So we're headed to Petrified Forest now.
We're here. Collecting park resources is prohibited.
That's a petrified log in the painted desert.
The park was alright. It wasn't our favorite park, but here's the Blue Mesa Trail that we hiked. We're at the Apache Death Cave now. A quick lore on this is that Apaches had gotten ambushed and died after stealing women and things from another tribe. But the Route 66 ended up going through here, and some guy thought this would be a great spot to make a couple bucks. So he made a petting zoo and this weird looking mock trial of what Native American structure would look like. So this is all fake. Then another guy bought it out future time now and tried to build a gas station and an RV park, and he ended up having a heart attack. Another guy bought it right after him, also had a heart attack. The place is cursed. Just a little interesting fun fact. This is down the road. This is Twin Arrows, also abandoned Route 66 gas station, but
Well,
I can't
the roof caved in.
can't pass up a good urbex lot.
Woohoo! We finally made it to West Fork! Jared's favorite spot in the whole entire world. I'm finally here, seeing it in the flesh.
Flash, ooh. In the rock.
In the rock.
In the tree.
We made it! Handled it a lot better than I will.
Oh, there is a snake.
No way.
What's that? Oh, it's so nice.
Yeah.
Quack, quack, quack.
We stopped at two national monuments. One was old ruins, and another is this volcano that has erupted already, if you couldn't notice. And we finally made it to Flagstaff. So here's our camp. Here's the views. Look at that. Amazing. And actually, right over here, there's old pottery shards all over this place. And then obsidian that they would most likely use to build the tools to do stuff. Next up after this, Grand Canyon for my birthday.